Time to play again, but this time with a feature in Levels that I have yet to show you. It's called Visible Clip Point. Same process. We have an image. We want to fix the color in this image. Let's create a Levels adjustment layer. This time we're going to work a little bit differently. Go to Red. Remember, these control the colors and that controls the tone. We're going to start with color correction. Go to Red. I want you to come down here. But before you begin dragging that slider, I want you to reach over on your keyboard and hold down the magic key. That's the Alt key in Windows and the Option key on a Macintosh. Hold that key down and watch what happens when you drag that slider. The whole thing goes red because we're in the red channel, but watch what happens as I drag. Eventually, I begin to see part of the image. Now, what am I looking at? You are looking at the areas of the image in black that will be clipped. What I want you to do is back up until just before you see that first clip come in there, and then come forward just a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. There's a very small spot down on the bottom that became visible. Stop. Come over to the white slider and do the same thing. And go this way until you see some stuff coming up. Back up until it goes away, and then come back forward till you just begin to see it. Something like that. Let go. Do the same thing to green. Holding that Alt key down, Option on a Mac, till you see it coming up. Back it up, and then bring it just about like that. Come back over here. Again, what we're seeing is the clipped areas. And the moment of truth is this one. I'm going to flip in. There it is. Bring it back. And finally, this one. Look at that. What we did by holding down that Alt key, Option on a Mac, is reveal the visible clipping areas of the image. It's another way to view the histogram, except this time we're viewing it actually in the image, and the results are very impressive. We have corrected the color in this image. So that's another feature you can use to find information in a document, this way visibly in the image itself. Hold that Alt key down, Option on a Mac. Visible clipping.